Hello out there in the world of cyberspace. This is Danny Gersten speaking. I'm going to show you today some of my great shots I shot down in Henderson, Nevada, September 2006. All these pictures were shot on a 5-megapixel camera on a bright sunny day. Hopefully you enjoy these. All these photographs were taken with a lot of heart. I enjoyed the whole day. It was great. All of these photos are saved up at my photomax.com site. I'm going to encourage you all at the end of this video to check out my little advertisement, to go to dannywgersten.myphotomax.com. Sign up for a free account, 20 free pictures, lifetime storage of all your images. Share your libraries out with your friends across the net. Great little place. I encourage you once again, check out photomax.com. Alright, have a good time. Enjoy. Hey everybody out there, once again I'm back, Danny W. Gersten. I want to finish up a few little narration here on the video. Hopefully you've enjoyed these cars. If you get a chance, go check out a classic car show in your town. I think you'll thoroughly enjoy it. I'd like to once again plug my site at dannywgersten.myphotomax.com. Go there, follow directions at the end of the screen you see at this video, and you'll see that you can sign up for a free account. It's a great opportunity to share all your information with your friends. So check it out, and until next time, everybody enjoy. Later.